Okay, we are actually planting seeds right now. We already plant one, and that's the pump. Which one did we plant, guys?
Yellow squash.
Yellow squash.
Yellow squash. We planted yellow squash. Point where we planted the yellow squash at, Moo. Where did we plant the yellow squash? Right in there? Okay. So we just planted yellow squash in there. And what's today's date? Is this the 20th?
Yes.
It's May 20th, 2019. So they're putting their holes. They're putting their holes down there. And Ema is giving them the seeds. Oh, that's all right. We'll get it.
Okay.
See that little tiny seeds right there? Look how tiny they are. So you're going to put them down in there. Yeah, look at the tiny seeds. All right, Moo. You get yours.
Okay, so drop them in.
Okay. Moo, you get yours.
All right,
you put
right here.
There you go.
Hole.
Put them in there. Drop them in that hole.
Okay, did it come off your hand?
You got it in there?
Yep.
All right.
I'm just going to give you too many.
Okay. Mikael, got yours.
Put it in here.
Just drop it in the hole there.
These little seeds are
These are the tiniest little seeds.
Yeah, they're very tiny. And what are those that we're planting?
Black seeded lettuce.
Black seeded lettuce. All right. Black seeded lettuce. And we got to put the name on it so that we can remember.
I'm just gonna
There we
set
go.
these here.
We got little staves in there too that we can write on.
That's right. Okay.
Okay. And little Duke Dace, he's back there. He wants to be actively involved.
Yeah. We'll
Hey,
put
Duke.
them down after we
Duke.
video.
What's up, man? I see you. All right.
So the next is tomato.
The next is tomato. We're gonna plant the tomatoes in here. Yeah, you can put some water in it. Hold on, let's plant everything first, then we put the water. Wait. Hold on. We plant everything and then we put the water in behind.
4 holes.
4 holes. Put your 4 holes in there.
1, 2. Okay, she's putting in about 5 or 6. Well, we do have 3 different ones.
Okay. There we go. Go around there. Okay, make sure you're about a couple inches or more apart.
Okay, let's move this one over.
Okay.
Why do you gotta put it? Why do you have to put it a little?
Yeah, it's giving some space.
Yeah,
You got to give it space so it can grow. Yeah, so roots can extend out. You don't want them to cross roots so much.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Tangle up.
So we're doing the sweet pepper.
All right, tell everybody bye-bye. See you later. Sweet bell pepper, tomato, and cucumbers. Great. All right, well, we'll see you guys back in about a month or less to see how everything begin to sprout up. All right. Peace, family.